Okay, let's do a silly check. Okay, we're off. Let's do this. Oh, and the first view of the morning is right here in my front door. This is where I camped, right here. I had a little blister yesterday. Put some Leuco tape on it. I hope that'll be good. Actually, I think the burn zone goes right up past Quincy, up to Belden, if I'm not mistaken. But we'll see. Half a mile down to Fowler Lake. I'm not taking it. I got miles to do. But if I was wanting to have a swim and had lots of time, I would do it. Yep, folks, this is the trail. Been bushwhacking for half an hour now to get like 2/10 of a mile. This is insane. Okay, what a debacle. Absolute debacle. Insane. Bushwhacking for over an hour to go, what, like 0.4. It was crazy. Absolutely crazy. There was no trail defined. Couldn't even see it. Couldn't even make it out. There is a trail here, however. So we got water in 6 miles. I'm bringing 1.5 liters. That should be plenty. Well, 1.4 liters. That should be plenty. But that kind of throws a wrench into my day, because that's 2 miles that I've lost. So now I got to try and make it up somehow. I got no choice. What a day this is turning out to be. This is just crazy. Why? Why? Okay, so I'm having a rough day, as you may have noticed. First of all, I slept in, not by much, and then I was bushwhacking like crazy to find that first water. And then after that, near the second water, I bushwhacked for 2 miles. 2 miles. I couldn't believe it. It took me 3 hours. And then I see a little note on Far Out on like the second or third page from like a year ago. Oh, well, you can skip this and go along the road if you want. Well, that's not a PCT sanctioned thing. PCT didn't say you could take that road, so I did it. But I know a lot of people that probably would bypass that. Anyways, that's fine, it's over. But there's no way I'm even going to get close to town unless I really step it up a notch. I could do it tonight. Question is, do I want to? This is the hottest day so far of this heat wave, so it's pretty brutal. Right now, there's a bunch of tent sites down below here. I'm gonna go and take a break and see if I can get down to the water and get and collect some water, some drinking water. I didn't know it was going to be that difficult, or I would have taken it back 0.5, you know. But I'm not walking back 0.5. No way. So these are the tent sites. And I gotta say, I'm tempted to take one. Just call it a day. They are nice. I don't know if there's any water access or not, but I'll check. There is a little island over here I can try to get to. I already showed it to you from up top at the bridge. But here it is from the campsite. I already went in for a swim, which was nice. Got most of the stink off of me. I feel like I'm going to sleep better tonight. But just the same, I had something to eat. I'm going to do some videos and call it an early night, you know, try to be in bed by 7 and up by 3 or 4 in the morning. Woo-wee. That was scary. I don't trust bridges. Never did. Okay, so it's not real late, but I'm calling it. Some days you just gotta call it. I had a rough day today. I had so much overgrowth on the trails. I rolled my ankle a few times. I had to deal with bushwhacking for 4 miles. It was just it was a crazy day. And then the heat was off the charts today. By far the hottest day in this like heat wave of a week. Tomorrow, I hope it's better tomorrow, but it doesn't matter. I've made a plan. I spoke with a guy named Pounder. He's in Quincy, but I have a box in Bucks Lake, and that is 13 miles from here. So I'm going to get up really early, probably out the door at the latest by 5. Pounder works on a donation base, so I'll save a little money there, but I will give him some money for sure. And then I'll stay tomorrow night with him. If I can get everything done that I want to get, if he's got pretty good Wi-Fi and I can get some videos uploaded, great. If not, I might grab a hotel and stay there one more night just to do that, just to get the videos done and get my resupply complete. Like I say, I do have a box in Bucks Lake, but it's not a full box. Like it's not going to give me all of my food. It's mostly just extras, electrolytes, hot chocolate. I don't know, I forgot. I'm sure there's other stuff, snacks or whatever. So anyways, it's about 5:30, 6 o'clock. Beautiful little spot. Check it out. The only thing I don't have arranged is my rides. You know, I have accommodations, but not a ride. So I'm gonna hitch. I'm gonna go to there's a triangle shape setup. I'm gonna go to the first one, get into Bucks Lake, grab my box, then hitch into Quincy. Or see if I can maybe ask Pounder if he can come and get me. I don't know. We'll see. But I don't think he does that generally as a rule. And he lets you camp in his backyard. So shower, laundry, charge up devices, Wi-Fi. Should be good. Maybe I'll see if he'll let me take him out for steak dinner. Anyways, if you're still here, you rock. Sorry it wasn't that great of a day, but they can all be great. It was a very emotional day for me. I was crying, I was upset, I was frustrated. Also, I had some other things, personal things going on as well. So it's trail life. It's the same as any other life, any other day. Some are good, some are great, some not so much. Anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow.